Hey, what's up guys? This is just going to be a real quick video on how to put your front bumper back onto your Honda Civic. If you're looking to find a video on how to take the bumper off of the car, I have a separate video on how to do that, and I will post a link to that in the description below. Start out by just grabbing hold of your bumper and holding on the top of it. You're going to want to set this top portion on this bar right here. And then kind of rest it there while holding pressure onto the front bumper so it doesn't fall off the car. And then you're going to go around to each headlight and pick up on the bumper. You can see right here that the bumper, the white part of the bumper here, is pushing against this spacer here. So you want to pick up on the bumper, and you want to make sure it's on top of the spacer, but it also goes underneath the little tabs that are right here. So you want to slide it between those two, and then once it's in between them, just make a fist and hit the bumper and pop it into place. And we're going to go around to the other side and check the same thing. So again, here's the bracket. We're going to lay it on here, but underneath, so in between here and then that tab right there, so underneath the tab. We're going to pick up on it. Make sure it's set properly, and then give it a fist. Pop it in place. And then come around to the top part, and you can see these little tabs right here. They need to slide into right here. So we're going to start by going a little bit high and kind of lining it up with the fender, and then sliding it down towards the headlight. And that gets those seated, and just make sure everything's flush and that your gap looks good. And your holes here should line up for when the clips go in. I'm going to go around to the other side, do the same thing, go a little high, slide it down, make sure everything looks nice and fits, and we're good there. Then we're going to come around to where it meets the fenders, and we want to make sure this fender liner, so this black part right inside here, we want to make sure it's all tucked in behind the bumper. So check that, and then line it up with your fender and give it another fist and feel it, make sure it's all lined up and it's flush. And go around to the other side and do the same thing. There you go. And then from this point, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to put your clips back in up top here, put your screws back in the side, and your clips, bolts, and screws back into the bottom. It's pretty simple. But that's probably about the hardest part, is putting the bumper back on, just getting it all lined up and everything. Make sure everything looks good before you start putting your clips and screws and stuff back in. But that's it, guys. That's how you put the bumper back on. Thanks for watching.